Today we'll talk about objections. As you know, many things happen at trial that are objectionable, but they will never amount to reversible error. And other things happen that may be just fine, but you have some strategic reason that you want to object. Obviously, you have to preserve a complaint for appeal by an objection. But if it's not going to be error, or even reversible error, then what's the point in preserving it? It's never going to go anywhere on appeal anyway, and you may simply antagonize the jury by making it look like you don't want the evidence heard. You may also upset the judge by constantly interrupting opposing counsel. But there can be other reasons to object. Maybe you need to stand up to the judge and keep a bullying judge in line. Maybe you want the jury to think that the judge is unfairly favoring the other side. Maybe you need to impress your clients for some reason, that you're being aggressive and you know the rules of evidence. And you may need to give your witness time to reflect while you're giving a running objection. Let them calm down. And then finally, you may knock the other lawyer off their stride a bit. That actually happened in one of the largest cases in Texas history. A very, very experienced trial lawyer had planned to do a 3-day cross-examination of the other side's key witness. After 6 straight objections against his questioning were sustained, he got flustered and passed the witness after about 10 minutes of examination. Needless to say, the client lost the case, and they were not happy by that result. Now, there are other reasons to object. Perhaps you've got a leg cramp and you just need to stand up for a moment. Maybe you see the jury falling asleep and you've already tried the old book drop trick, so you decide to object to wake them up. But the takeaway is to have a plan for your objections. If you think in advance about what objections are likely to occur, which ones are likely to amount to reversible error, you'll have a much better chance of making successful objections and then using the others as necessary. See you next week.